On today's Try to Finish something a little out of the ordinary. I've never watched an unboxing video and don't know anything about it, but I've got this really cool figure and I'd like to unbox it. I don't know how it works. I assume there's something in here. I take it out and you get to see this really cool action figure that I'd like to show you. Unboxing. Doesn't seem that hard, but there's gotta be a complication or some reason that people watch these, but I'm gonna figure it out, and this figure is gonna get finished coming out of this box. Figure, I'm taking it out, that's what I'm gonna do on today's Try to Finish Something. This is actually my third Ronin figure, my premium Bandai. This is my Show movie realization Ronin Mandalorian. I have the Stormtrooper and Darth Vader as well, and I've had these actually for a while, as my family calls them my dollies, and I find that insulting, and I need a nap. Where's my blanket? But I thought I would open them with you here on the channel. These samurai-inspired figures have amazing detail, even through this plastic, but Din needs to breathe. I'm going to open this up and check it out. Ooh. Now this would be a stunning cosplay. By the way, I bought this in a pre-order almost a year and a half ago, and I've had it at least 6 months. This is not some freebie promotional thing. I bought this at full price. I know this isn't a build video, but I'm actually not here. Well, I'm here right now. I'm just probably in some ocean as you're watching this, pissing and moaning that I can't find a rental car because, I don't know, the vacation world is in chaos because of all this COVID rush mess. I have no idea. I'm going to remove this protective plastic collar and skirt. Ooh, look at that. It's a real cloth cape. He can do what my dog's head does, where it tilts in the side. Din, you want a cookie, Din? Sorry. The detail and painting on this is amazing and such a cool concept, retaining the parts of the pre-Beskar Mando that I love, and look at that, he's got the full rifle, which I still haven't made. He has a hole in the back to snap it in for display. Even a samurai sword, or is it pronounced sword? Fits into his belt holder, and oh, look at that detail. It even has a little snap. That is so impressive. All right, I'm going to take his blaster out. Damn it. So they have different posed hands, right and left, so you can hold blasters or weapons of choice with the left or right and make some pretty cool poses. Let me take out some of the hands and take Ronin Din outside and snap a few pictures. Taking a stroll, gun out. Ooh, look at that. He moves so fast, it's hard for me to focus. What? Is that Moff Gideon's ship coming to blow up the Razor Crest? You know, Ronin Din wouldn't have let that happen.
He's right behind you.
There it is, the full walkthrough of the premium Bandai Ronin Mandalorian finished. I really hope you liked this video, and we'll see you next time as we try to finish something.